Okay, so the question is, a GP consists of even number of terms. So basically, the GP that having the even number of terms. So let's say it is having 6 terms or 4 terms or 8 terms like that. So we can take 6 terms, let's say, okay? So we have 6 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We don't know the GP. So let's take as AR, AR square, AR cube, AR raised to the power 4 and AR raised to the power 5, right? So whenever we don't have the GP actually, so this is the general GP that we are taking. So n is equals to 6 basically, right? Now what they're saying, if the sum of all the terms, so for the sum of GP, we have the general formula, which is Sn is equals to A times R raised to the power n minus 1 over R minus 1. Okay, this is the general formula for finding out the sum. We know that what they are saying, sum of all the terms. So n is equals to 6. So this is S6, that is equals to A times R raised to the power 6 minus 1 over R minus 1. Right? Now, what they are saying that sum of all the terms is 5 times. So basically this S6 that is equals to 5 times the sum of terms occupying the odd places. So odd places sum is how much? So this is the odd place, 1 place, 3rd place, the 5th place. If you will see here, so what is the sum of the first? So first term is A. For finding out the sum of the odd places terms, so Sn is equals to, that is equals to, we have A, which is the first term for the odd places. Okay, let's wait. For the odd places, we can take A as GP, AR square, and AR is to the power 4, right? For odd places, we have 3 terms basically. So A, which is the first term, if you will see the common ratio, so if you will divide the second term by the first term, so common ratio you are getting as R square, right? R square. So A times R is to the power n minus 1 over R minus 1. This is the general formula. How many terms we have? We have 3 terms. So S3 is equals to A times, what is R? R is R square. R square. Then what is n here? And we know that there are 3 terms. If we are taking the 6 terms in a GP, so odd places terms are 3. Okay. So I'm writing it here because there is no space here. So I'm putting in here only. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I'm putting here. So A is A only. The first term for the odd place is A times, what is R for the odd place? For the odd place is R square. R square raised to the power n. What is n? 3, because we have 3 terms minus 1 over R square minus 1. Right? Now, please understand one thing. Now we have to sort it out, right? So A times R raised to the power 6 minus 1 over R minus 1 is equals to 5 times A times R is to the power 6 minus 1 over R square minus 1. Okay. Now if you will see, A cancels out. R is to the power 6 minus 1 and R is to the power 6 minus 1. This is also cancelling out. Now what you are left with, now you are left with 1 over R minus 1 is equals to 5 over R square minus 1. We can write R square minus 1 as R plus 1 and R minus 1, correct? So what I will do it here. We can apply the identity here, okay? This is the portion I am getting right now. So 1 over R minus 1 is equals to 5 over R square minus 1. R square minus 1 we can write as A square minus B square as A plus B and A minus B. A plus B and A minus B. So this and this cancels out. So I got R is equals 5 is equals to R plus 1. So R is equals to 4. Okay. So this is the common ratio, right? So yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Just understand the question, right?